In this video, we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be unboxing the iPhone 12 mini silicone case and see what it's like and do some size comparisons to Apple's previous devices, such as the iPhone 6s, 5s, and also the iPhone 4, just because the iPhone 12 has that essence of that design within it. So let's cut over to the GoPro and take a closer look. So first of all, let's peel this tab off here to get into the case. And just open this here, pull that out, and there is the case. Let's put that down for a second because there is some documentation included within here. You have a little booklet which is just warning you about medical device interference, because this case does contain the new MagSafe stuff. So there's a ring of magnets which will connect to wireless chargers and various other accessories that companies are making. So the MagSafe stuff is pretty cool, and it's interesting to see what accessories are coming out as more companies start to take a closer look into it. So here is the case itself. I think we just pull this up here, yep, and we'll take off this cover here, and here is the case itself. So let's just hold this up to the main camera here. And here it is. We've got the big cutout of the cameras in the top left of the case and the Apple logo in the middle. And if we flip it over, you see that MagSafe ring there. So if we bring this over to the GoPro, you can see it here, and there's a row of magnets and also a magnet beneath that will align with the MagSafe charger and also the other accessories such as the wallet, which doesn't look that great to be honest. But I've seen that Moment, who make a bunch of camera lenses for iPhones, are bringing out a couple of cool accessories in the coming months, such as a tripod and hot shoe mounts for phones as well, so that's very cool. So let's just take a look at here. This little document here just shows you how to put your phone into the case. That's pretty self-explanatory, but that is all that is included with the MagSafe case. So taking a look around, we have the big power button here. I'm using an iPhone 6s, so there are some differences. The power button on the iPhone 12 mini looks to be much larger than the power button on the iPhone 6s. We also have no headphone jack, as expected, but I'm coming from an iPhone 6s again. So we have the microphone and speaker cutout, and also a cutout for the lightning port. And then we have volume rockers and a cutout for the silent switch. And that is pretty much all that the case has. So let's bring in some extra devices and see the size difference between this and some older Apple devices. So first of all, the iPhone 6s. I've been using this for a few years now, and I'm quite looking forward to the upgrades as it's starting to show its age. As we can see, the iPhone 6s body is actually larger than the iPhone 12 mini. So I'm quite looking forward to using a smaller device again. It's not that much smaller than the iPhone 6s, but the screen is going to be much larger than what I'm used to. Now let's bring in the iPhone 5s. Now this is an old trooper of Apple. The design looks great still, and I'm really looking forward to going to flat sides again on phones. And here we can see pretty much a steady descent in size. The iPhone 5s is just that bit smaller, and actually it fits pretty snugly within the iPhone 12 mini's case. There we go. And then finally, just because I had one lying around, we got an iPhone 4, pretty old now, but there we go. There's your size of Apple products, and it's nice to see that Apple is embracing smaller phones again. Because the iPhone 11 was pretty big, and I'm not a massive fan of large devices. So having something that's small and pocketable and also comfortable just to use is a big bonus. So that has been a quick look at the iPhone 12 mini's silicone case. I hope you found it useful. There's going to be an unboxing of the iPhone 12 coming out later this week, as it is going to be arriving. And I will make sure to get that on the channel as soon as I can. But for now, that's been a quick look at the iPhone 12 mini's silicone case, alongside some other Apple devices for a few size comparisons. But that's been it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.